Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is right down below. And today we are going to be doing our first impressions review swatches on the new Jeffree Star Volume 2 Pink and Reds collection. I have done the first volume before, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Nude Bundle. I'll link that video down below if you guys are interested. I absolutely love his liquid velour lipstick. I use it on a daily basis. Literally, I love it. So far with this, all these colors except for Celebrity Skin and Mannequin, I wear on the daily. So since I was in love with this so much, I was really excited when I found out he was coming out with a volume 2, reds and pinks. Like, oh my goodness, like, I'm so excited! Yeah! Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into this first impressions review swatches video. Alright guys, so as the first volume went, this one also retails for $52. There are, how many in here? I love these colors. Oh my goodness. So there is 8 in here. So if you do the math, it will be $6.50 a pop. The packaging is very similar to the volume 1 mini nudes. So it is a matte finish, and here are the colors. So in the front where you're supposed to open it, it says love me not. So here are the 8 shades, as you can see. Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and the #1 selling Unicorn Blood. Like, for real? Alright, opening the box up, I'm just going to grab Doll Parts, and I am going to compare the nude and red bundle to the nudes volume 1 palette. This one is the volume 1 bundle, and this one is the reds and pinks bundle. As you can see, both bottles are the exact same. This one, I believe, is the mannequin one, the one that I say I don't really use much because this looks a lot better with fair skin tone, and I can't pull it off because I look dead wearing this. Hence why this bottle is still full, but all the other ones, as y'all can tell, I used them all. So that just lets you know how much I love his velour lipsticks. So anyways, as I've said before in the first video that I did with the volume 1, so as you can tell, the bottle looks tiny, yes, but he actually fills it past this pink line. So you actually have more product all the way up to the very top, which I think is very smart, and it's great for the consumers to know. So know that it does not stop here. The product, it actually goes a little bit more and is almost to the very top. Hence why I love Jeffree Cosmetics so much, because he always thinks about the consumer. Anyways, let's go ahead and do some swatches. So here we have the first color, and it is Doll Parts. So here is Doll Parts. So Doll Parts is a soft, cool tone pink. This looks so pretty. It's so natural. I would probably use this on an everyday basis also. It dries so effortlessly. This formula actually feels like all of the velour liquid lips, which is really good. All of his products so far is very consistent. Like, I love that. Once you know a formula you like, I am a true believer. Just stick with that formula and don't try to change nothing up, because once you do, you're gonna mess it up. Yeah. So, good job, Jeffree. Yes. On to the next color. Now the next color we have is Calabasas. And here is Calabasas. Let's swatch. color Calabasas. Calabasas is more like a brownish pink color, and I think this color will look great on any skin tone. So, whoop, good job on that one. Let's move on to the next color. Next color we have is Wifey. Here is the color Wifey. So Wifey is more like a dark brick red color, which is super pretty. Like everything is like gliding on effortlessly. The bottle is exactly the same. The wand, I love this wand. Like seriously, you don't even need a lip liner with his liquid lipsticks, which I really love so much. Like there is like literally no feathering, no bleeding. Like just look at it. Alright guys, on to the next color. So the next color we have is Watermelon Soda. Oh my goodness, this one smells so good, like a Starburst. Ooh, yummy. Alright guys, here is the color Watermelon Soda. So Watermelon Soda is actually a cool tone pink color. I believe this is one of the top selling summer colors. So far I'm really liking this. This is really good for summer and spring. And it smells like Starburst, like for real. It smells like a strawberry Starburst. It smells so good. Like you just want to eat it. Guys, the next color we have is Anna Nicole. Let's swatch Anna Nicole. Alright guys, here is the color Anna Nicole. And this color is more of an orangey red color. This color you do have to build it up like with a second coat, but the color itself is super pretty. Like I'm digging it. This is a really Anna Nicole color. Alright guys, the sixth color we have is Prom Night. Alright guys, here is the color Prom Night, and this color is a Barbie pink and it's electrifying. But it's so pretty. So the next color we have is Red Rum. Alright guys, here is the color Red Rum on my lips. So Red Rum is a matte cool tone red that I think will look really great on any skin tone. Literally any skin tone. On to the last color, number 8. Alright guys, so the last color we have is Unicorn Blood. So let's go ahead and swatch. Unicorn blood, unicorn blood. Alright guys, so unicorn blood is a dark rusty matte red color. This would also go great on any skin tone. Like, this is a statement. No, not really. Hey Okay guys, so this is the wear test. It has been about an hour and I have been eating crawfish. You'll see now. And the color still looks really good. Nothing really came off, so anyways guys, so my final thoughts on the volume 2 pink and red bundle. I love all the colors in here. I believe he put in all of his top selling colors. The price I think is also really good. You do get 8 colors and you do get nearly a full jar of liquid lipsticks. So all of the VELOUR liquid lipsticks, they have the same consistency, they have the same formula. It is a long wearing, it is lightweight. I have no complaints with the Jeffree Star Mini VELOUR liquid lipsticks. I love it, I approve of it. Go out and get you one. Remember, I am not sponsored by anyone, so anything that comes out of my mouth is my own personal opinion. So yeah, I have no discounts for you. As I've said before, I'm sorry. I'm still itty bitty, so no one knows me, but it's okay. Your girl will get there, and hopefully she'll get you some discounts somewhere in the future. Anyways, I will link the first video I did for the Mini VELOUR Liquid Lips Nude Bundle Volume 1, which is this one, down below in the description box. I will also link the website for this if you guys want to purchase it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It is right down below. Click. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at OMGIsTiffany24. Bye guys, I'll see you for the next video.